Hello there. So you don't know how you can use Kayak for deals. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. First things first, all you want to do is simply go ahead and open any browser that you prefer and go to kayak.com. Now, for example, if you want to go ahead and get deals on flights, what you want to do is simply select where you're headed from, where you're headed to, and one way or round as well. And once you've done that, rather than having an exact departure date right over here, simply go ahead and have it on ±3 days. As you can see, when you go ahead and do that, you can also look for prices that are very cheap. You could also go ahead and scroll through on months and look at what month has a good price. However, this is a better way to go ahead and search for it. Now, for example, if I'm just gonna go ahead and click on search, as you can see, it's gonna show me all the flexible dates, and Sunday is the most cheapest time to go ahead and travel. Or I could also go ahead and just track prices, and it's just gonna go ahead and alert me whenever the prices are gonna drop. So that is about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.